Geospatial skills for web developers. This is my new course, and this is for the developers. Hi, developers. Ever build a map that felt off? Maybe markers did not align, or zooming was sluggish. Worse, maybe users misinterpreted your data. In this course, you will learn why these mistakes happen and how to fix them. By the end, you will build maps, web maps that are fast, accurate, and tell powerful stories. This course is to build a solid foundation in spatial data, tools, real-world problem solving, enabling you to build smarter, more accurate, and more meaningful web mapping solutions. So if you are a web or full stack developers interested in mapping, analysts, and coders building map dashboards and special applications, or developers who have used maps but wants to understand them. So this course is for you. And why web developers need your special skills and what happens when they do not. The structure of the course. So this course is designed into 6 modules, and I will start with a overview with a geographic thinking for developers and ending how to planning and publishing a web project. In between, you will learn all those about the special data, geospatial data, and the data cleaning and preparing, and tools, what the kind of tools you have to do that, use that, and the real world problems and mapping solutions. First module is all about geographic thinking for developers. This is important to understand before coding what kind of problems you have and how you want to be present a solution by using web mapping or web applications or dashboards and geovisualization approach. Second module is about spatial data and learn to see your data and your project through the geographer's lens. What is spatial data, geometry, location, understanding different types of feature types, coordinate systems, and then the versus tabular data versus spatial data, so different types of data. So you need to be think a little bit beyond the latitude and longitudes and how you want to be understand the different relationship between the spatial data as well. And the next module is about geospatial data in the wild, which is basically finding data, cleaning, preparing, the different processes, how you want to do that. And I will discuss about the different options, how you want to be use that one. Module 4 is very interesting, where you will learn all those kind of tools, where you want to see the only using the flat file and developing the websites using a complete solution where you have a database, web server, you publish your services, and then you have a front end to visualize the map. So there will be a different kind of discussions where you will learn the different options you have for the web mapping. So module 5 is about the real world problems and map solutions. So going to connect code to purpose, use mapping to solve real challenges. So there are different kind of processes you need to understand, like you're developing a logic, how you want to be uh, flow your whole website and the different kind of option you want to use. Once you build the platform, and then you want to be talked about your application. So here you will be building the logic in this section. And in the last module, planning and publishing a project is basically the end of this course, where we will discuss about all the things we have already discussed in the last 5 modules, and then putting them together to understanding the mapping project flow, workflow, optimization options if we need to be see the performance when you're dealing with a large data sets, and some ethical and licensing issues, and those kind of things we will discuss about how you really want to be publishing your project. Course format is quite typical. There will be a 6 weeks of pace with a flexible timeline. And usually, if you really want to do a very good hands-on, 3 to 5 hours per week will be the best way, watching the videos and doing some practice. And as you know that it would be pre-recorded videos. I will try to be share some practical exercise, discussions, and assignments everywhere as possible. And this is also the YouTube based course, and the resources will be available for you whenever you like to be to continue with that. So I'm planning about 7 to 15 videos, because as you know there are 6 modules. I have no idea how many per module videos will be there, and because I want to be keep the like the duration of the video between 15 to 35 minutes. So if there's something is longer, I have to be divided into 2 or 3 parts. And this is the introduction, and I hope you will like this course. And if you have any feedback, any suggestion, because I'm going to be start recording from the next week, and I would like to hear your feedback, and I will try my best to incorporate those suggestions. Thank you very much.